It's never felt so right, and only you can take me there. No, I don't want you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful summer glam makeup tutorial for you guys. This has been my go-to makeup look for this whole summer so far, and I love it. This video is actually in collaboration with one of my good friends here on YouTube, GLAM by Jazz, and she is doing a summer glam makeup tutorial as well, so don't forget to check her out before you leave. Her link will be down below in the description box. If you're new to my channel, either from her channel or just in general, hi, my name is Marissa. I would love it if you would stick around, so definitely remember to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Let's get right into this video. Okay, so I already moisturized my face using the Urban Decay Gel Moisturizer. So already filled in my eyebrows a little bit using the Dip Brow Pomade. Already primed my eyes with some concealer, and I set them lightly with translucent powder. And I think I'm going to start off with the eyes first, just because it's the simplest part, and also so I don't get fallout underneath my eyes. So if you guys didn't see my last two videos, I did dye my hair. I went a little lighter. I got balayage. I love it so far. I think I'm gonna go lighter the next time, but yeah, so I love it. Comment down below or give this video a like if you like my lighter hair better. I also have eyelash extensions on, so this look is super easy using both the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia and the Morphe 3502 palette. Orange soda right here. That's the only one I'm really going to use. I'm going to use orange soda in my crease as like my transition shade. The shade ORB, and I'm just going to apply that underneath where I put the orange soda shade. Shade here, Ablaze. I'm actually going to take that over majority of my lid, but I'm going to blend it directly into my crease first and then slowly work my way onto my lid. Go back in to the shades ORB and out where I put the shade Ablaze, and then I'm going to go back into orange soda and blend out the outer edges so everything is seamless. I'm going to start off by using the MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light and the Hourglass Ambient Light Perfecting Primer in Luminous Light, and I'm mixing them both together, and this is going to be my primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. I've been loving this. I recently got it and been obsessed ever since. And my shade is 206 Buff Beige right now because I have a little bit of a tan, so this is my shade. For concealer, I'm going to be using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard. And to set the concealer and parts of my face, I'm going to be using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder and mine is in the shade 222 True Beige. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Powder Bronzer in shade Saddle. For highlight, I'm first going to be using this Makeup Revolution Euphoric Gold liquid highlighter. It's like the droplet one, and I've been loving putting this on before my highlight just to intensify it a little bit. So I'm just gonna take like the slightest bit like that. And I'm just gonna use my beauty sponge to blend it out. And then once that is blended out, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. This is in Molten Gold. I've been obsessed with this. This is really my new go-to highlighter. Underneath my eyes before I forget, going back into the Morphe 3502 palette, I'm going to go into ORB again, and that's going to be my lower lash line eyeshadow. Okay, finally for lips, I'm going to be using the Morphe Liquid Lip in the shade Virgin. And then over top, I'm going to be using the Fenty lip gloss. And finally, I can't forget setting spray, so of course I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. You guys all enjoyed this Summer Glam makeup tutorial. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and watch my last video. And of course, make sure you check out Glam by Jazz and her Summer Glam makeup tutorial, which will be linked down below as well. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
We can find a place, hold me till the dawn, a million miles away.